Everybody, this is Chris from Friendly Moke America of Detroit. Today we are at the UNRIEHL Marina in New Baltimore to show the Moke in a slightly different environment, as well as to give you guys a virtual test drive behind the wheel. So let's hit the road so we can see what that looks like. Alright guys, so hopefully the camera angle is good, but we're going to drive around the marina a little bit, around New Baltimore, get a feel for the Moke as a whole. Truthfully, it rides amazing, whether it be on actual just normal roads, side streets, even like some of the dirt roads, gravel roads that you would typically see up north, or at marinas. The ride quality is incredible. The get up and go is also another beautiful thing. Now granted, the top speed on this is still only 25 miles an hour, which we're about to hit right now, which is perfect for side streets like this. Makes things very easy, very smooth. You don't have to worry about anything. Brakes work just as flawlessly. We do have, again, disc brakes up in the front, drums in the rear. We got a stop sign here. We'll hang it right. Now again, because we can put a plate on this car, technically speaking, this is legal to drive on the road. Hang a quick right here. But it's a great environment to really showcase the capabilities of this, and especially showcase how well this thing actually rides. Just wait for this car to pass. The other beautiful thing is if you have a city or a neighborhood or an area where truthfully 25 miles an hour is the speed limit, this is the perfect use case. You don't have to use the car, you don't have to use gas, especially with gas prices right now. Jump in the Moke and away you go. Other than that, I mean, it is a beautiful ride. It's a beautiful day, sun's shining. Got a few clouds today. Right by the water, Lake St. Clair. Glad to have the bikini top too, so I don't get sunburned. I mean, look at that view. Can't beat that. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up. All right, guys, thanks for joining us for the virtual test drive of the Moke. If you guys have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to give us a follow. Find us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Can't wait to hear from you. Have a great day.